What happens to your body if you start eating honey on a regular basis? We will talk about 9 amazing health benefits that will make your life happier, healthier, and more prosperous. Honey is considered one of the best health foods in the world and is a wonderful creation. Its sweetness and deep flavor are loved all over the world, and it is used in many dishes and recipes. It is used by several cultures around the world, serving as a base for many traditional medicines. When you start eating honey every day, what are the benefits along with its potential side effect? This is what we are about to find out in this video. Our content is created from qualified, professional and trusted sources because your wellness is our happiness. Having said that, let's talk about the 9 amazing benefits of honey. Number 1. Honey nourishes your skin and face. Honey is a great natural moisturizer, especially for dry skin, and is very easy to apply. It is packed with powerful ingredients that promote healing and reduce inflammation. Raw honey not only unclogs pores, but also moisturizes dry skin. One of honey's most valuable benefits is its ability to kill skin bacteria. It's also a natural antiseptic, so it helps treat wounds, bruises, cuts, burns, and other infections. Number 2. Honey can help to soothe a sore throat and suppress coughing. Honey has long been a popular food for preventing or relieving colds and sore throats. Similarly, honey may be beneficial for coughing, which is a common problem in children with upper respiratory tract infections. These infections can affect the sleep and quality of life of children and parents. In short, honey has natural antibacterial properties, making it the perfect solution when you are having cold and sore throat. Make sure you have raw honey nearby, especially in cold weather. Number 3. Honey is useful in weight management. Honey can be very helpful when trying to control your weight. According to the famous author and nutritionist Mike McInnes, honey burns body fat even when you are sleeping. If you are overweight, honey not only helps you lose weight, but it also reduces your risk of cardiovascular disease. Doctors recommend taking a spoonful of honey before bed. Similarly, it can also be consumed in the morning with warm water. It will increase your metabolism and help to reduce weight faster. Number 4. Honey strengthens immune system. Raw honey contains at least 16 known antioxidants that seek out, attack and destroy free radicals. Free radicals are released by the oxidants that attack the healthy cells in human body. If these free radicals are not contained, cellular damage and various diseases might occur. According to doctors and scientists, daily consumption of honey can boost immunity in the long run. Number 5. Honey may help improve sleep quality. Liver produces a sugar compound called glycogen, which is primary fuel that is needed to sleep through the night. Consuming a spoonful of honey before bed, either straight or with warm milk, will replenish your liver with enough glycogen to help you sleep through the night. There are many ways to deal with sleep problems, and honey may be one way to find a solution. If you are still struggling to get to sleep, it might be time to go for something like honey. Number 6. Honey may improve heart health. Cardiovascular disease is a major public health burden worldwide. Honey may also help prevent heart disease. Several clinical trial studies have revealed honey positively affects risk factors for heart problem. Honey is full of nutrients and minerals that the heart desires, so it can be a heart-healthy nutritional substance to add. Honey contributes to overall health as it is rich in antioxidants, phenolic acids, and flavonoids. Number 7. Honey is good for burn and wound healing. Before the advent of modern medicine, raw honey was often used to treat cuts and wounds. Topical treatments with honey have been used to heal wounds and burns by ancient Egypt people. Raw honey contains a small amount of the enzyme glucose oxidase, which under the right conditions converts to hydrogen peroxide. This is a common disinfectant which helps in wound healing. Honey is also an effective treatment for diabetes-related foot ulcers, a serious complication that can lead to amputation. Number 8. Honey may help in easing sinus issues. A sinus is an inflammation of the nasal passages and spaces around the nose and eyes. With the increase in air pollution and dust, many people are suffering from sinus problems these days. Honey helps in curing acute sinus problems. It is a natural antibacterial and antiseptic that helps clear infections and reduce inflammation. Consuming honey helps reduce sinus attacks as it strengthens the immune system. Number 9. Honey may improve gut health. Raw honey is a powerful prebiotic that nourishes good gut bacteria that promote healthy digestion. Poor gut health is one of the leading causes of inflammation and inflammatory diseases. Not only does honey help create more good bacteria in your digestive system, it can also be an effective treatment stomach ulcers. It is also very useful for intestinal lining and healing of reflux esophagitis due to its high antibacterial properties. Side effects of honey. The health benefits offered by honey are numerous. But you should also be aware of the side effects of honey. 1. Excessive consumption of honey can lead to weight gain and elevated cholesterol levels. 2. In some rare cases, honey consumption may lead to allergies, especially in those individuals who are allergic to pollen. 3. For those who need to monitor blood sugar levels, it's important to note that honey is 80% sugar and 20% water. It raises blood sugar levels and should be avoided by such people. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. Thanks for watching.